Hello, my name is Jeff Frizzell. I'm the owner of All Pro Carpet Tile and Upholstery Cleaning. It was about a year back that we saw the need for us to get onto the internet. We tried regular advertising through magazines and whatnot, and saw that it wasn't working. Things are changing, and we wanted to go with the times. And I had a feeling that if we got ourselves on the internet, that'd be the way to go. I know there's ads that you could pay for to get you up there, and well, frankly, it gets to be quite costly. I think in my industry, it was like $5 to $8 per click. Real quickly, I'd have to raise my price of carpet cleaning. But organically was the way we were trying to get there. So it was about a year ago, we contacted another company and began this long, grueling, what seemed to be a mission. It was my mission to get up there in the rankings. But we're unsearchable. So recently contacted ClickMagnet, and it was within no time they recoded our site. They made it look glorious. It's really appealing to the eyes, and we moved up in the rankings. It was in about 6 weeks I found myself #1 on a page after our website was recoded. You don't know how exciting that is, but from that we get 2 to 3 jobs per day now, and I've got people calling us acting as if they even know who I am, just from what they see in the website and how everything's presented through YouTube and Twitter and you name it. ClickMagnet really took care of us. So I encourage you to check them out. Thank you.